変わりたいんだ知らない顔しても意識し合ってる背伸びしたメイク時々だけど気づいてくれなきゃダメなんだから
Hey guys, I'm Soumya and I love spending my time drawing and channeling creative by sketching. For this, I prefer quality stationery like the Faber-Castell Connector pen set, pack of 25, which is perfect to use of any kind of art. These pens come in a set of 15 and 25, so you can choose accordingly. You can simply draw and color or clip these pens together to construct interesting models. The set contains 40% more ink and last longer than regular pens. They come with child-safe food-grade ink and have high-quality ink pigments to make sure your art displays turn out amazing. If you know someone who loves art, then this Faber-Castell Connector pen set is a really perfect gift choice for them.
Recently, I bought this sketchbook from Paper Plane Design store and I'm extremely impressed with its quality. This 200-page book has 100 perforated sheets with a 160 GSM. The A4 fine art drawing paper is best for sketching, drawing, manga, cartoons, still life, stippling and practicing new styles. This sketchbook is a perfect canvas for your inner artist.